Name is eye blink sensor for drivers or anti-sleep alarm for drivers. Now we have to connect the battery. Connect the 9-volt battery and keep your eyes open. Now when you close your eyes, the red light glows at the eye and the engine stops. If you are blinking, open your eyes. Open your eyes, keep your eyes open. When eyes are open, the engine is rotating. The engine is rotating. When you blink, blink. If you blink, the engine will not stop. If you close your eye for a long time, then the engine will stop. This is how the circuit works. This is the Arduino microcontroller. This is the brain of the entire circuit. This is a buzzer which gives sound when the eye is closed. This is engine. The engine rotates when when the driver is not sleeping. If the driver is sleeping, then the engine will be off. Now it's off.